was a wagon, and my dad decided to cut the roof off of it and wanted to make a El Camino out of it. It is really like 3 cars in one. The main car was a nothing special sedan wagon. The roof that it has now is the back off of a 4-door, not a wagon, just a regular car. Welded it all, you know, it's a Bondo bucket, but it's a fun car. It's 355 in it, 4-speed, a little bit of a gear. That's fun on the street. I mean, it runs hard. It needs a little bit of got cow tracks on it, but wheel hops real bad if you try and beat on it. But nah, it's fun. It runs hard and just an ice cream car.
You're gonna run down track?
No, I'm not.
That's slow compared to what you usually run.